Hey sociologists, I hope you're doing well on this Monday day. I just want to walk you through this week's module because I did a couple teeny-weeny changes since it opened at midnight. So if you've already looked at it, I just want to show you a couple things. We're doing race and ethnicity, which is always a topic that I think is a standard in sociology, but it's also one that's so important. So a big part of what makes us who we are and what makes us both on a large scale and an individual scale people within the society, and how systemic racism and institutionalized discrimination has kind of led us to the place we're in right now. So let me just show you the start here piece, and basically what has changed is a very tiny thing. Rather than clicking on this little clip on Race, the Power of an Illusion, I just wrote here, watch part 1 of Race, the Power of an Illusion, which is located in the weekly module. I'm going to show you it so that you can see as soon as my thingy backs up. So here it is. It's film Race, the Power of an Illusion, okay? And it is, I think, one of the most important documentaries for us to watch in terms of the social construction of race. It is a 3-part series, so it is 2 hours and 51 minutes. For this class, I want you to watch the first hour, and that's the part that I'm asking you to respond with. However, this information is on this module. It's available to you. I recommend watching the whole thing, in parts perhaps, but it really does break down historically how race has been used as a tool for clearly oppression, but also for gain on the part of people who were of the dominant racial makeup in the hierarchy. So we got to think about stratification and how society is stratified, and we stratify based on a lot of different things. But racial identity, while it is a social construct, meaning there's nothing inherently biologically different between us in terms of like however you identify, however I identify, what my ethnic background is, there's not a genetic difference between myself and a person who might look nothing like me, any more so than a person who looks exactly like me. However, we stratify on the visual markers. So that sounds really weird and complicated, or it sounds like, of course, you know that. But either way, watch this first hour, and then the science behind it will become more clear, and it'll help you kind of break down the discussion as you go forward this week. All right? So thank you for taking the time to learn this stuff. It's going to make the world a better place because you're going to be in it. And I look forward to hearing your comments on the modules. Take good care. Bye-bye.